Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on Fourier transform. Example, evaluate integration from 0 to infinity of 1 upon x square plus a square and bracket square with respect to x. With respect to x using Parseval's identity. Using Parseval's identity. Watch the video up to end for clear understanding, better understanding. We know that if f of x is equals to 1 upon x square plus a square, then Fourier cosine transform, as I have discussed in my last video, please watch it, is given by 1 by a square root of pi by 2 into e raised to minus a lambda. Link I will provide in the description box. And then by Parseval's identity, for Fourier cosine transform, we have the result as we have the result as 2 by pi integration from 0 to infinity of fc lambda bracket square, its integration with respect to lambda, as integration from 0 to infinity absolute value of f of x and its square, integration with respect to x. Then substituting the value of fc lambda, we get 2 by pi into integration from 0 to infinity, value is 1 by a square root of pi by 2 into e raised to minus a lambda and bracket square, its integration with respect to lambda, as integral from 0 to infinity, substituting value of f of x as 1 upon x square plus a square and its square with respect to x. Simplifying it, we get 2 by pi, 1 by a we take outside, it becomes 1 by a square, and square root of pi by 2 is pi by 2, and the remaining terms are integration from 0 to infinity of e raised to minus 2a lambda, its integration with respect to lambda is equals to integration from 0 to infinity 1 upon x square plus a square and bracket square, integration with respect to x, pi by 2, 2 by pi get cancelled, we get 1 by a square, integration of that e raised to minus 2a lambda is minus e raised to minus 2a lambda divided by minus 2a, limits from 0 to infinity, and the right hand side as it is, integration from 0 to infinity 1 upon x square plus a square and bracket square, its integration with respect to x. Cancelling minus sign by changing the limit, we get 1 by a square as it is, a lower limit become upper limit, therefore e raised to 0 is 1 minus e raised to minus infinity, and that is equals to integration from 0 to infinity 1 upon x square plus a square whole square, its integration with respect to x. We know the value of e raised to 0 as 1 and e raised to minus infinity as 0, and divided by 2a cube is equals to integration from 0 to infinity of 1 upon x square plus a square and its square, its integration with respect to x. And therefore we have the value of that definite integral between 0 to infinity 1 upon x square plus a square and bracket square, integration with respect to x, as 1 upon 2a cube. This is the required value or required answer by Parseval's identity. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification for such type of new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.